Well, looks like it's dead. Oh, that one's in the... There's a red squirrel. It's just there.
This is January the 19th, 2023. It is a Friday, a snow day for AJ. Sounds for cats to go, wait, I didn't hear it. Sounds for cats to go crazy. Birds at the cafe. Sounds for cats to go crazy. So you pulled that up just for him.
Yep. Oh, he's going behind the TV. No. Yeah.
So you pulled that up for him.
Yep. He was watching what I wanted to watch. Like, I was watching an ant dude. I don't know if you've ever seen that YouTuber. Like, if anybody sees this, definitely go check him out. I was watching one of Ant Dude's videos, and he just came and decided to sit on this little bench right here and stare at the TV, see what I was watching. And then I'm like, you know what? Fine, I'll pull up a video for you, because I don't ever do this.
So this is Joy Boy, right in front of AJ's TV.
We have two cats, Joy Boy and October.
Those are sparrows, by the way.
For those that are new, for those of you that are new, we have two cats, Joy Boy and October. In fact, during editing, I'll put a picture of October in, but this is Joy Boy.
Yep, that's Joy Boy. On this snowy day, you're pulling up all kinds of stimulation for him on this snowy day. He was swatting a TV earlier. Swat it again. Yeah, he's really confused. I know you were wishing you were outside on this snow day.
I'm working in the garden.
Swat at it. Go ahead. He was swatting at it earlier.
Henry, don't break the tree. Do not break the tree. Hey, Henry. Stop, Henry, stop. I will.
He's fascinated. Are you fascinated by these birds? Come on, swat at them. Oh. You confused? You confused? I love you. AJ did this for you. Oh, he is swatting. He is swatting. Yes, on a snow day when the cats don't want to be outside because of the snow.
Oh!
Cats don't want to be outside because of the snow.
Get him! No. He tried it. Oh, there he goes. Again.
Getting that from YouTube.
All right, well, I'll leave you to it. All right, you enjoy your bird watching.
No, stay here for the whole video. We've currently got 12 out of 24 minutes.
No, I'm not going to be here another 10 minutes. No. All right, well,
We'll prop the phone up so that way you can sort of...
you enjoy it. All right, I'll leave it. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. He swatted. He swatted.
He almost... I see you got your phone off the ground. Like, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you.
All right, well, that's all.
Oh, Tober's chasing out of a squirrel outside.
Is Tober? Oh, he is outside.
Tober's chasing.
I'm running. Tober! There he is. There he is. He's running. Look. There's Tobes. Tobe! Come on, Tober. We're watching birds in here. I wonder, can you jump up? Can you jump up in the window? Can you jump up in the window?
Whoa! Wait, Mom! Turn and look what Boy Joy did.
Did Joy Boy knock your TV over? He knocked your TV over?
He swatted at it too hard. Just
He
ran.
swatted at the TV?
He swatted at
Tober!
He swatted at the TV. He's like,
Can you jump up here?
you know what? Before I pick my TV up,
Tobe!
grip. Please move. Grab me
AJ!
by the feet.
No!
Yes. Yes. I'm
No, we're not going to do that. There we go. Come on. Come on. You want to watch the birds too? Come on. Come on. It's cold outside.